Okay, this ratchet, I got a craftsman ratchet that I bought at a pawn store for like 50 cents. And it's kind of got a little gunk in it. I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of real dirty in here. And I'm just going to show you guys how to refreshen up one of these things. It's kind of acting. It's kind of hard to. This mechanism's kind of hard to turn, and it's got some issues. See, it's like they kind of not working the best. I could just take it back to Sears and get another one, but really these are pretty easy to fix. Let me show you what I got here. Inside here there's a little snap ring, has little eyelet holes, so you get you a pair of snap ring pliers, and you can pop this, squeeze it together, remove that. Now this little piece here lifts out. There's a plate. Here's the ratchet, like the gear assembly, and you can see how crusty that is, nasty and gunked up. Okay. Now here's the hard part. Inside here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bitty steel ball in there that sits in a spring, and this is your like your gear mechanism. So when you rotate this part engages the gear, and when you switch the other way, this side engages the gear. But to get this out, I just use my snap ring pliers, and you just kind of pull on it, work it back a little bit. Well, I'm going to give it a smack. See, they come out pretty easy normally, but this one's gummed up pretty good. And you can see all the crud in there. There's like dirt and slime. And okay, now inside here the ball came out. Here's the back piece. It's dirty too. Why it's not. There's that little tiny little ball I was telling you about. And inside here there's one more piece. There's a little spring that goes inside there. There it is. Little spring, little ball, O-ring, gear. Pretty simple. I mean, obviously it's easier just to take this to, take it back to Sears and say, give me another one. But I don't know. I don't mind cleaning them up. I like taking things apart. But I'm going to clean this stuff up real quick. Spray it down, wipe it down. Got a little liquid wrench I'm going to use just to spray this down, wipe them up, clean them up a little bit. Well, just get you a rag and just hose this stuff down a little bit. Just a little bit. And just clean these parts up. Just clean everything up real good. Got all the pieces cleaned up real good. Now I'm going to try to put it back together. Try to do where you guys can see it. Stick that through. Yeah, that's the way you gotta do it. You gotta Like get the ball in there, push the spring down. See what I'm talking about? And hold that down tight. Use the table to hold this up. Now you can slip. This piece has to go in like this. You just get this started the best you can. And you slowly start working this out, pulling that back. And that's what it looks like. You got your ball in there, and as you push that in, you're leaving that down. The ball's in. You just start working, fork out, boom, got it. Ball's in place. It's kind of a pain, and but that ball's in there now. Now, here, to get this part in, you gotta push this assembly out a little bit, not real far, just enough to just a little bit, because you gotta slip this part in the back, so kind of use that to push. And you should get a big enough gap to where you're just trying to slip it past that, push this down and slip it past that steel. Oh, got it. Now you can just push that on down. You can check it out, see if it, see how that moves. Okay. Now you can slip this gear in. The gear, just pick it up, slip it back in. I'm going to turn this to the middle. And you slip the gear in. Yeah, it's going good now. Switching easy. Okay, that's ready. Now you just set this piece down like that. I'm going to lube it up a little more with some liquid wrench, a little penetrating oil. Just to leave it in there, let it soak in. And now this is ready. You can see where the wear marks, like that side has the inside pattern of that. This side has where the rings were, the snap ring was, so I know that it was on like this. Now you just take your snap ring pliers, push it down. Done deal. That's how you do it. That's how you refurbish one. Oh yeah. Switching nice and easy now. Yeah. It's going easy, switching easy. Yep, so get some more life out of this part. All I did was clean it up. But got this for 50 cents at a pawn store. And yeah. It's moving easy, switching easy. Works good. Nice and clean. Done deal.